without a bump. That's what they do. They rock, they roll, they can drill you out a hole. That's what they do. They're masters of construction, the heavy metal crew. They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do.
Ooh, Dumper the Jumper, the world's most daredevilish machine.
He's coming to town.
He dumps, he jumps, he flies over bumps.
Carrie, Scooch.
Oh, we're late for Bowser. Come on.
Scooch.
Oh, right. Coming. Dumper the Jumper is coming to town.
That's very nice, Scooch. But we've got a new motorway system to build.
Yes, Bowser.
Roads need to be graded and prepared. Hard shoulders and crash barriers need to be constructed.
Huh?
Also, the road markings need to be done.
I wonder if Dumper the Jumper could jump over that flyover.
I wonder if you could get us some stone chip for the road surfacing, Scooch.
Oh, yes, stone chip. On my way.
Dumper reversing. Oh, hello, Scooch. Working hard, are you?
I am now. Lug, have you ever heard of Dumper the Jumper?
Dumper the Jumper. He's not doing anything new, you know.
Oh, how do you mean?
Well, I used to be a stunt jumper myself.
Really?
When I was much newer, of course.
Wow. What was it like?
He was that daredevil. He was that fair devil. He was the first one to get their horns beeping. He was the long leaping lug. That's who. Those were the days when they would get their thrills by being brave and showing off their skills. And though he sometimes took occasional turns, long leaping log came through. He was that skydiver, that off-the-wall driver. He was the first one to be that crowd pleaser. We know that he is the long leaping log. That's who.
Long leaping lug? You were turborific.
I certainly was something.
You are something. Wait till I tell Diggs and Carrie. After I get the stone chip. Excuse me, pardon me. Coming back. Excuse me.
Been daydreaming again, have we, Scooch?
No, it's Lug. He's a daredevil stunt jumper, just like Dumper.
So you have been daydreaming then?
Big slow lug, leaping over a line of machines. Ha! Good one, Scooch.
He really can. He's long leaping Lug. I'll prove it. Oh, please, Lug. Show them that you're really long leaping Lug.
No. I'm just a regular machine now, and proud of it.
Oh, but you have to, or else Carrie and Diggs will laugh at me again.
Oh, they laughed at you, did they?
So you will show them you can do it.
This one's for you, Scooch. So, you didn't believe Scooch when he told you about my stunt jumping days.
Yeah, well, no offence, Lug, but you are a bit big and slow.
And old.
Lug could leap over that flyover over all of us. Couldn't you, Lug?
Well, I suppose so. All of you get in a line. Bravest one at the end.
What a joy!
Yeah.
Maybe Dig should be on the end.
Huh?
Not that Lug is really going to jump.
No, of course he won't. Anyway, Scoochie, the end's all yours.
It's long, leaping, log! Whoa! What am I trying to prove?
Lug? Lug, what happened?
Sorry, Scooch. Leaping's not for me. I'm just a regular working machine, and that's that.
Poor old Lug.
But why would he make it all up?
He just wanted to impress us. Come on, let's get this job finished.
Oh, you three! I've got something to show you. Lug told me about today, and I want you to take a look in here.
Long leaping Lug.
It is true! I knew it!
So, why did Lug say he was just a regular machine?
He is. Well, now he is. Lug's just quite shy, that's all.
We probably really embarrassed him. Lug, we're really sorry for embarrassing you today, Lug.
Really sorry.
Oh, I don't mind. In fact, I realize I was just happy being me. A regular working machine.
Oh, but you could still jump off a bridge if you really wanted to.
Well, yes.
Will you?
No.
Oh. What about the Idle House roof? Just for old time's sake.
No.
Or over an oil drum. Lug?
No.
To be that crowd pleaser, we know that he is the long leaping Lug, that's who. They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do. They scrape, they scratch, they can fetch another batch. That's what they do. They drag, they drop, they can take it to the top. That's what they do.